Hello everyone, welcome to English Tutor 2025. This channel is all about making English learning easy, fun and practical. I'll be sharing some simple lessons, some tips and activities that will help you to improve your English learning, and you can easily speak, read and write in English with confidence. Dear friends, today's topic is about sentence transformation, and here we have examples. He always hates me, and here we have to change always into never because time adverbials are changed into according to its own transformation. That's why we use never for it. And the second one is the dog barks at night. Here barks B5 and this normal sentence simply present. That's why here B5 and it is changed into doesn't. V1 doesn't bark. The dog doesn't bark at night. Now he knows me too. Here we have two things. Knows is changed into doesn't. No doesn't plus P1 and 2 is changed into either. The other one is Anu and Pooja read here P1, and that's why we use do not read English. Anu and Pooja do not read English. Here we have he has two brothers and a sister. It shows about belongingness. That's why has is used as main verb, and we can use doesn't have for it. Here so we can use doesn't have. He doesn't have two brothers and a sister. We can write like this. This is the better option. And the other one is we on the math. Here B2 win on means B2 second from past form. That's why we use we didn't win the maths. Now we have they may come tomorrow, and here may is used as auxiliary verb. That's why we use may not. Here son cases fish cases are used as present form of the verb B5. That's why doesn't cast. Please like, share and subscribe. Keep smiling with us for more updates. Thank you for watching.